Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Natalie and you're on my channel Home Gardening. Today I want to show you the best method ever how easily propagate a ZZ plant. Actually, a ZZ plant it's rather easy to propagate plant, but only if you know some tricks, because it's very easy to make this part of a leaf to rot, and in this way you won't get any roots, just your leaf will rot, and this will be the end of your propagation as easy plant. So the best method that works for me and the best method that is the best for propagation as easy plant is to use a rooting hormone powder. So what I actually do when I propagating a ZZ plant, take a leaf and first of all I put them in a water with a rooting hormone powder in it. And I leave in this way for a few hours. It may be for a night, for example, and I just leave the leaves in there so that the leaves can absorb that water and to get soaked in that water with a rooting hormone powder, so it's not a clear water. After they soaked for a few hours or for a night, it's a high time to actually plant them. Like this. This is a hormone powder that I used. Actually, it doesn't matter what type of hormone powder is, just take whatever you like, wherever you want, whatever works best for you. So let's get started. So first of all, I will do additional cutting. Today I want to make so to say an experiment. I want to try to make as much bulbs as possible. So I will make a cutting like this. The thicker this part is, the better it is for making bulb system. So try to do your cutting in that way that you can see the like this. Like this, and I will continue with the whole leaves. I've done a cutting on some leaves, and also I left some leaves without that cutting, just simple as easy plant leaves. And now let's plant it. So as you understand, if we have made cutting till this part, so the leaf should be planted till this part also in the ground, not like this, not like this. Also it can be planted like this, but I will plant it like this, like this. So this is what I've done. Also, I want to say that for propagation any plant, especially ZZ plant, it's better to use transparent plastic cup just to see when the root system starts to appear. After it, of course, I will water just a little with that water with rooting hormone powder. Just a little, not much. And this is it. Also, I want to show you my experiment I've made before with rooting hormone powder, what I've got. So this is my leaves I've propagated before, almost a month ago. As you can see, the soil is completely dry and the roots are over here. Let me show it to you a little bit closer. So as you can see, these are new plants. They are already with bulbs. The roots are nice. The bulbs are rather big. So the plant is healthy. And now it's a high time to plant them to an individual pots. A ZZ plant is not a fast growing plant, but if you know some tricks, how to feed, how to water, how to care, it will be a nice and, so to say, a fast growing plant. So thank you so much for watching. In a month or so I will show you the result with these leaves, and we will transplant them together. And now let's plant these new small babies. So I've planted my new babies, my new plants, a baby of a ZZ plant. Of course, I will not water them right now. I will wait for a few days, and after maybe 2 or 3 days, I will water them with special fertilizer. So this is it. This is the best method that works for me when I'm growing a ZZ plant. There is a little of this, so I will water them like this. So thank you so much for watching. See you very soon in my next video. Bye!